Academic Asia.
Academic Asia.
可能你問我點解會喺 AA 做咗26年都咁愛我嘅工作呢？咁我諗同呢個 mission statement 都好有關。The best advice for the best education。
Academic Asia 已經係全香港，甚至係全亞洲最專業、最可靠嘅英國升學機構。有好多頂尖嘅學校咧，好似 Harrow， 亦都係我哋獨家嘅合作伙伴。
Tonbridge School is delighted to have a very strong and well-established partnership with Academic Asia. And Academic Asia, of course, brings many decades of experience into the world of education.
Our admissions team know the people at Academic Asia very, very well indeed. And I would describe the relationship as one of trust and professional respect.
我哋嘅工作看似好簡單，係幫家長學生去選擇一間適合嘅學校啦。其實正正係因為我哋服務嘅對象係我哋嘅下一代，其實我哋係必須要將我哋嘅道德嗰把尺 set 到好高嘅標準。
And working alongside organisations like Academic Asia, it means we can provide even more to these young people. And that partnership that's been developed between the two organisations has allowed young people to flourish incredibly well.
I still remember that 30 years ago, I came to AA with my parents. They gave me a very good advice, a very good choice for the school, and I'm happy to see that AA is still offering the same service, same level of expertise, and that's why I think I have confidence in choosing AA as the academic advisors for my child.
What parents value about working with Academic Asia. They assess very carefully children's intellectual and personal qualities before suggesting that our academic environment might be right. That, more than anything, is the most important quality that we would look for in an educational agent and that we think families should look for to send their children to a boarding school here in the UK.
Academic Asia 咧對英國嘅中學以至大學嘅教育咧係有好好嘅經驗。本身佢嘅老師咧，佢哋係嚟自全世界唔同國家嘅一啲好高嘅學府嘅碩士啦，或者係博士畢業生。
Academic Asia's vision for education is to offer the students something that will last a lifetime. Knowledge is most definitely a part of a student's school experience, but it isn't the most important factor in their learning.
As a parent, I've seen how the personalized approach and the value-based support platform has allowed my son to grow to be more confident and independent.
唔係淨係追成績同入到好學校咁簡單，所以我哋今時今日嘅服務咧更加多元化，係更加要認識自己，去揀自己嘅未來。我哋希望將 Academic Asia 咧打造成為一間真正去提升學生各方面水平嘅教育機構。
而且每一個小朋友都係獨特嘅，我哋會覺得每一個小朋友好似一粒種子，學校就好似土壤咁樣，而我哋就係希望可以揾到最適合嘅土壤俾呢粒種子，讓呢粒種子喺適合嘅土壤裏邊茁壯成長，將來發光發熱。